What's up everybody, Matt with 74 Airstream, and on today's video we're going to be going from this to this. Never seems to work for me. In the meantime, when I try to get that fixed, I'm going to get this window in. I'm going to get the wing window, we're going to get the sealant on, we're going to get this sitting in its original position. We're going to put the channel strip back on, and then we're gonna buck rivet all these holes just as it was originally done. So go through and make sure all of our holes are the right size. So I got a number 20 drill bit. We're going to use the 5/32 drill bits, or I should say rivets. So some of these may be lined up good, and some might just need a little persuasion. Get my rivet gun, bucking bar, and I don't have this center window in, so it makes it easier to get to. Except now I'm realizing this bucking bar does not fit under the channel that I need it to. So I gotta get something different. I don't have a small enough bucking bar, but what I grabbed was a 1/2 inch impact extension, so full solid body. This is just going to be my bucking bar from the back, so this should be more than substantial for it. So before I go too far, I wanted to make sure that I can get this channel back onto this these two grooves. So I've only got 3 rivets in here so far, but from the top it goes, slips right on. And last time some people were asking, they were wondering what I was using a hammer on. This is just a piece of flat bar, 1/8 inch thick, and I was able to just use it on a bit of an angle and hammer it down. So it wasn't actually using a hammer on the two surfaces. So that's what I was using. screws that sash back on. Continue with the riveting.
With that final rivet, that window is now complete. Just finishing up cleaning around the windows, getting all the residue from the sealant off, and we're good to go. So thanks for stopping in and watching the video.
I like it.